I'm Issy Bardillon, and this is my Sprout Up journey. As a child, our bonding with my lolo was mainly watching documentaries, especially about science and nature. It opened my young mind on how our lives depend on the environment. We owe so much to it, yet mankind acts like we own the planet. And that was when I decided I wanted to be an environmentalist. Although my dream course is Bachelor of Arts in Film, I'm still glad that I get to make my younger self proud by taking up this course and career pathway. I'm living as I thank Mother Nature, learning, studying, and taking part in becoming the future cultivators and protectors of the land, while looking for efforts on how to give back to our environment. I am living, though there's always this part of me that always thinks about other people. How their stomachs must be hurting because of hunger, how so many deserving people are deprived of so many opportunities, and how they are held back in living life to the fullest because they need to prioritize work just to earn money enough for their needs, leaving no room for their wants. Everyone has the right to eat and gain energy to live their day. We need more hands joining together to feed everyone and care for everyone, while keeping in mind, of course, about saving the only planet we call home. Studying agriculture constantly reminds me how big and at the same time small the world is. I believe, hope, and wish that agriculture would be much more appreciated and would gain more interest for the coming generations. Together, let us sprout up. This is Issy Bardillon para sa bayan, agham at agrikultura.